We have balcony. Ito yung room natin na first nung ano. Tapos, inano nila.
Pero wala siya labas dati. Meron ba labas
Meron.
Hey guys, it's Boodle Alert! This Vaseline Gluta-Hya Serum Burst Lotion is my latest beauty essential. Kasi guys, matatransform talaga yung skin ko and achieve that Gluta-Hya glow up. I use this Flawless Bright in the morning after ko mag-shower. It has double UV filters, Gluta-Glow 10 times more powerful than vitamin C. It has hyaluron and pro-retinol. It's 467 pesos. And guys, hindi mawawala sa night routine ko this Vaseline Gluta-Hya Lotion overnight. It has also Gluta-Glow 10 times more powerful than vitamin C. And guys, meron din siyang aminopeptide complex that revitalizes skin overnight. It's 515 pesos for 330 ml. And like what I said, non-sticky talaga, super lightweight lang sa skin. It gives my skin brighter, healthier, and glowing skin. And it smells so good. I love it! After I use these two products, sobrang smooth ng skin ko. Guys, this is my favorite lotions. Look at this Gluta-Hya lotion overnight. Diba? Nakalahati ko na sugar. Experience your most beautiful transformation yet with Vaseline Gluta-Hya Serum Burst Lotion and experience Gluta-Hya Glow Up. Made by science, loved by your skin. Now made available within your reach at 330 ml.
Here. Ooh, look at the view, guys. Actually, guys, second time na namin here. Nakaka-open lang. Check-in kami. If napanood, yeah. If napanood yung vlog na yun. So, this is the view. And, yeah, di ko pa nabababa yung gamit area niya.
Ay, meron na silang go-kart, sa mga bata.
Hey guys, it's Clarice. Welcome back to another vlog. Yes.
Tomorrow pa, 35 years.
35 years na sila, guys. Tomorrow. And today is July 9. And bukas, July 10. So, nandito kami ngayon sa Hilton. Ayan si Lavi. Hi! Ayan si Tita Faye.
Hi!
So guys, yeah, samahan nyo kami today. Guys, tingnan nyo, nagpa-color. Ako yung nagpa-blonde ulit. Check. Top from my Tita Labi. Yeah, and her bag. Grabe guys.
My top. Oh, forever. My pants. My pants, Stradivarius.
And your outfit.
My tops from my cabinet. And my belt from my cabinet.
Okay, so babalik
And my
kami guys.
pants for Shopee. That's not true.
Nagjo-joke lang siya.
Forever 21. Okay naman yung Shopee.
Yeah.
Wala namang problem.
So tayo pupunta mga lovers.
Mag-snacks tayo sandali sa Executive Lounge.
Yay! Labi! So let's go. Coffee check down.
Crocs. From Crocs. From Shopee. From me.
Coffee. So cute.
So cute though. Igawa ko na.
Anong gagawin mo? Heart.
Heart.
Nagkasino kami for fun. Piso, bet. Nanalo si Tita Faye 300 pesos.
Bawal kasi guys mag-video. So yeah.
strong. You're still the one I run to, the one that I belong to. You're still the one I want for life. You're still the one that
Hi! We're done.
Hi.
Tapos na, pabalik na po kami guys sa aming room.
Mag-gym ka ba?
Guys, so tingnan nyo, tinatanong niya ako kung gusto ko pa mag-gym.
It's raining.
Happy anniversary! 35 years na sila guys. Magpa-breakfast kami. Fit check. Fit check.
Fit check, all block.
All black. And me,
Green.
orange. Diba? Iba-iba yung color namin, guys. Ay, set up niyo yung gift kay tita.
looks like we made it. Look how far we've come, my baby. We might have took the long way. We knew we'd get there someday. They said, I bet they'll never make it, but just look at us holding on.
Aba, meron ka palang pa-flowers. Meron siyang pa-flowers.
Darling, just dive right in. Follow my lead. I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. Oh, I never knew you were the someone waiting for me. 'Cause we were just kids when we fell.
Opening the gift. Where's the gift?
Yes.
Yan, there's a gift
Yes.
from
Yes,
Tita
underwear.
Faye. Labi naman.
Size siya ng ano.
Wow.
Wow. Happy. Wall clock yata eh. Size ng wall clock.
Gusto na ngayon ng wall clock.
Oh, bakit ganito yung pan-tape mo? Yung
Ano na, nagmadali ako eh.
Tiyanan!
Diyan na.
Wall clock! Sabi ko na eh. Wall clock eh. Tiyanan! Ay, di.
More clock daw, guys. Pang racing table. Wow. So
Additional gift
cute.
lang to. Meron pa siyang cash.
Wow.
25,000 kasi 35 years. Cute.
So cute.
Pwede na yan gamitin sa birthday.
So
Ito pwede
cute.
mo lagyan ng parang wine
Oo,
glass.
pwede.
Hey, may bago siyang gagamitin.
Plus, and then yung mga
It's still the one that I
Wow. Oh, isang heart naman dyan. Isang heart. Heart.
ain't nothing better.
Anong gagawin mo ngayon? Swimming ka?
Swimming.
Later
Nalilito
tayo
nga ako.
mag-ano ka, gym.
Ikaw,
Gym.
swimming.
Yeah.
I'll swim.
And then,
Ako,
ayun.
tagabantay ng mag-gym.
Andali. Ano muna?
Mag-gym din daw siya, guys.
Let me try again.
Guys, ayun si Tita Faye. Kita niyo. Kami ni Tita, mag-gym kami. There's Tita Faye. Quick check. Check. I forgot my AirPods. Babalikan ko. So, si Tita na iwan na dun. Ay, gosh, hindi ako makaka-concentrate pag walang AirPods. Up. Marka. Tignan nyo guys, so nag-exercise.